Here's my top pro tips to get more volume when you blow dry. So first I use a volumizing mousse. Don't be skimpy, use a good bit. And I use it all over the crown, and then I'll section my hair out in slices. So like a spoke in a wheel, I'll go from ear to ear and I'll apply the volumizing mousse. And then whatever's left, I'll pull through the ends of my hair. Next I use a blow dry spray. This helps to detangle and work as a heat protectant. And then for brushes, I have a paddle brush and then a round brush. Brush all your hair forward. Use the nozzle, the concentrator nozzle, on the blow dryer, and then point and direct the hair downwards to seal the hair shaft. So notice I'm not touching the hair to the actual brush. So we want to keep like an inch or so away from that and keep repeating this motion. And this will help you and go up. And then this will help you to change your hair part. See, even though my part's there, we can change it anywhere. So we want to redirect the hair pattern. This takes us several times when you blow dry. So we're redirecting that hair. Grab it at the root really good and direct the hair and the heat to work for you.
Really nestle that brush underneath at the root line and then pull it down with the heat directing downwards. And again, side to side. This is essential to changing your hair part and then also bringing it down again, side to side.
Now, clip your hair half up so you can make sure the hair that's in the middle and underneath can get dry. So we really want to be mindful of making sure we dry that hair too. And side to side, just to ensure that I can part my hair in any direction that I want. Remember, side to side, in front of your face. It works. And yes, you can blow dry your hair upside down momentarily, but make sure you bring it back up and direct the hair and style it where you'd like to be. So you can tell I could part my hair on the left, on the right, off center, and center when you use this technique. Another pro tip, use dry shampoo after you blow dry, all along the root line. This will give you more volume and help your hairstyle stay for days.
Please like this video and give me a follow. Mwah!